Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about DIY summer outfit. So here's my fabric. It's a cotton silk fabric. It's very soft. I'm gonna make a two-piece outfit out of this fabric. So here's my two-piece summer outfit. For the bottom, I have made a short skirt with cotton lining and back zipper. For the top, I made this crop top with this beautiful sleeves. And I'm feeling very comfortable in this outfit. Hey guys, if you like this video, please do like, subscribe and share.